Hi guys, today I have Samsung Galaxy S23 FE and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have a connect with internet but you can't surf in it. Okay, when you have the same problem as mine, you can see it on your screen when you open Google Chrome or some another website. We must go back to the main menu, in it settings, and there we'll look for general management, in it date and time, and we must switch on first function, automatic date and time. After that all would work. You can go back to the main menu and go to the Facebook maybe, and everything is working right now. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.